One of my favorite things in this world is people of passion. It doesn't necessarily matter to me what they are passionate about, as long as it doesn't involve harm to others. I'm not an artist, nor a musician, but I can spend long periods watching someone perform, lost in their craft. I like watching dancers, but I'm equally fascinated by the butcher, the baker, and the catapult maker, so to speak, if they are truly passionate about their work. It's inspiring to watch someone or listen to them describe the details of their craft if they love their work. I think there is a lot to be learned from such people who have come to some level of mastery through a process born out of the love they have for the task at hand. These are the people for whom failure is a natural part of the process. These are the innovators. These are the people who are capable of being right where their feet are in all aspects of their lives. Be it athlete, teacher, or slingshot maker, these are the people I gravitate towards. This video is inspired by one such person, a YouTuber by the name of Gamekeeper John. I found his channel accidentally one night not long ago and was immediately swept up by his passion for slingshots, or catapults as they are known across the pond. He has an infectious joy in their making, shooting, and trips afield he calls mooching. It quickly reminded me of my childhood, and I couldn't wait to make one and do something I hadn't done in years. The process was extremely satisfying, and I have to say I've enjoyed making and shooting my own catapult immensely. I'll leave a link in the description below to John's channel and website. If you like this video, please let me know by hitting the button and subscribing. Enjoy.